You gotta do the butt. You have to poke your butt out.
That's how I was doing yesterday. I was too shy to do that.